Alright guys, so we'll be back again. So the next one is your run to the dragon cave. Bro, oh my gosh. We must find a way to stop this. But I still haven't found my parents. If an innocent dragon is built to and great town to be kept hit by earthquake and tsunamis, there's will be many people affected. There's some people around you that experience loss and they lost hope. Do you really want to face this again? Come with me. Stopping the same dragon is this help people. But Tana, you only help them just you are only one who can see me. I beg you, help the people in this town. I understand now. Let's hurry. Thanks, Tana. But you must be careful. The enemy is a lot of you lying around, which can be dangerous. All right, there we go. Oh, the sharp glass. There, if you stop like me, she dying again. Because I'm careless, bruh. Oh, okay, just skipping. Skip. Alright, there we go. Okay. Oh! Oh. That's so much. Whoa! If I stay on it, I'd be dying, bruh. Just still acting, bruh. Don't be doing already. All of them, okay. Why does music is so creepy, bruh? Oh, okay. Uh, yeah. Alright. Oh. Oh, bleh. Bro, how am I dying again? Okay, guys, I will skip there and add this one, okay? Alright, there we go. Alright, there we go. Oh. Wait, before I guess on if you I guess this one's first. Oh. Caption. Nope. Oh my gosh. This was so cool. Oh, there's a typical glass sharp. Jump! Oh my gosh, if I don't jump that I'd be dying, bruh. Glove. This play is... Yeah, that's your dream. I want to dominate the areas. After the test, there are so many areas and building damage due to the sonic cushion in front of avoid those areas. Okay? Well, that's crazy. Before fighting the Ascent Dragon. Okay, that it will be ending. Why this place look so familiar? You're still coming, bruh. No, that's not even the internet. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, I knew it. That how did she dreaming? Wow, this one crystal again. I remember now. This place is dreaming when I first arrived to this town, and I touched this. Oh my gosh, Master! Master, I brought someone to help you. Bruh, that's a girl. Master? Oh no. What is it, Paddle? Master, the temper is out of control now. Tana, run, hurry! Oh no. What are we waiting for? Running again. Oh. And we need to watch out. Oh my god. There's a dragon. I'm not hearing anything. Run. Crawl, crawl, crawl. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that was close. But I need to run first. Oh, 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 oh. Guy. Yes, we made it. But I didn't get a car, bro. But never mind. Furry dragon. Yes, we made it. Bruh. Okay, so this is the last one now. Fight an ancient dragon. Okay. We need to. We need a new plan. See if we talk with my master anymore. If we live in the forest like this, I keep trying to change this other earthquake. Then why we change we do? This other evil machines in his body. And he got a why does putting down the other earthquake. When my master moved the change around the earth system to play the old way. I'll hope the rest of you tanah could return together. Well, see the coming this far. Let's go with it. Yes, right there is a power just right in my master Shan. Then I have some questions for you. Okay. Let's do this. Now let's be going crazy. This one for healing. This window I did to repensity disaster the sign of material lines. Okay. Okay. Let me breathing first. I'm tired, bruh. Alright. Alright. 3, 2, 1, jump! There we go! Oh, before. Oh, jump! Oh, wait, wait, wait. Ah. So, this is ending, and I will over. No, 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 no. Okay, there. Thank you very much. The rock is not up. That's not to me. Wait, but I see that tails dragon. Oh, bruh. Oh, bruh. I cannot just. Alright, now. So we got it. Wait, wait, wait. Before we gonna do it, I should. Yeah, that still had a rock here. And we cannot jumping after that. We can still dare. Run! Oh my god, that was close. Oh my god, that's gonna hurt head, bruh. Okay, now, 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 now. Okay. Oh, why is it so much dangerous, bruh? Oh, oh. Okay, now. Huff, huff. Okay, my screen is kind of moving, guys, because wait, bruh, I didn't see the drag go. We should stop talking first before we have to be fall down, bruh. Okay. Okay. There. Uh, why is so much? Oh my god. So much crazy. Oh my god. Oh. Wait. Oh my gosh. No. No. If I die in that, I have to try again, bruh. Okay, Tanner. Now this time. Wait, wait, wait. No, 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 no. Okay, get out of all cars first. Okay, now. All right, now run, run. Oh, run, run, run. There's a dragon there. Oh no. Wait, wait. Okay. All right. We only lost one, and we complete the mission. Alright, three, two, one. Oh. Yes, we made it. Okay, the brave one. Oh, oh my god. Okay, so good that I didn't dead. This, haha, I'm free now. Wait, that's I. Are you a senator of the brave one? Thank you so much for freeing me. Actually, it was a between Durance and myself. That's crazy. Brave one told me on just an accident, then just disappeared. He left me waiting for a thousand of years. There's any way they can pay you for helping me? Well, I don't really need to want anything for myself. But the villagers had a vision of a tsunami is facing through the times. What's it about the violence? Myself has had a special power, just my body and my stretch. Good. Done. I think we made Hikanen able to help. Oh, well, that's over. uh, yeah, that's over now, guys. That's so fun. Oh, thank you for playing. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so before we end this, we need to get this question. Okay, so we fix it. Wait, so I have to do this first, okay? So you know, I okay? Okay, finally got it, guys. I'm so tired. Okay, so this fourth game tonight and tsunami and earthquake fighters is over now, guys. That's pretty tired. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe for me. So I have to go now. Bye, guys.